keep on walking here. We'll check out some more stuff here. Property maintenance. Love it. It's a brand new engine. That thing's clean as a whistle. That bad boy. There's ambulance. It's cool. I saw one in a scrapyard one day. It's pretty much all intact. Nice. It is a 63 Pontiac. Ambulance, South District Ambulance Service. All right, alrighty then. He's over here. Another one of those vehicles I like. Has the convertible. That bad boy, nice. 57 Ford Skyline. Nice. Yeah. These are not cheap when you want to sell them. That's a nice Chevy. Very nice. Let's go over here a little bit. I'm getting tired, man. Go out to eat and get a bit early. I'll be at the airport at 3 o'clock. So. Oh. I love this one. I love this Beetle. Yeah, the oldest, I guess, is 64 at this show. It's a Nova. It's a nice black color. Nice. $15K for sale. 37 Dodge. Heck yeah. Yeah, that's where it was all. Tore that thing down. Pillar to post and post to pillar. Nice. Not my cup of tea, but I get what they're doing. 1937 Dodge. Put the top down, bro. 326. 1964. Oh, this is cool. I love this. I call this battleship gray, but this is a nice color. I like it. It's almost a two-seater. You can right in the back, but it's cool. This will look good in your garage.
It's nice.
Yeah, I like the color. It's almost like a two-seater. I mean, the back seat, that's fine, but it's almost a really comfortable two-seater.
I don't know if there's any 34 or what.
That's great when people do this kind of stuff. I love shows where people will
No.
buy a car from a scrapyard, let's see the guy, you sell it to him, and he fix it up. I love that when people save stuff from scrapyards. There's a lot of good shows out there on TV that do that. And they'll save something and they'll put it together. It's great.
I'm looking for 41 Willys up.
Oh, really?
Old gassers that I had that's supposed to meet here. So many damn many cars, I don't know what.
I think there's like 30,000 or something like that.
Something ridiculous.
50,000. Well, this is the biggest one in the country.
It's overkill. I've been coming to this thing for 25 or 30 years, so
Yeah,
it's
it's
just
you,
getting bigger and bigger.
after a while you start walking so much you just get tired. You can't see them all. You can't see them.
Go over this black.
Later, man. That's right. There's just so many cars. You really can't, see everything. So. The burger, ice cream, ketchup for bad manners. I love that. I can't tell you guys enough. Love the old engines, how everything is accessible. It's so cool. Nice. Like that black. It's a cool little view. I wouldn't buy that, but I think it's cool. Getting that sucker. I can't get that son of a gun. It is what it is. Too fat for that vehicle. Hot Rod. Hot Rod Lincoln. Good song. Thinking about it. Hot Rod Lincoln. 1930. And a little exploring here for the quote-unquote exploring channel. Leaving the house. Because he doesn't blind views. That's the way he hears it, walking on this cane. It's nice. Get Casey Grits, come on up. Walk around the Casey Grits. Act like you know every car around. Act like a gangster. Mr. Alan Hernandez. I like doing the gangster, it's fun. Even though he's dead, the day he died, I was so disappointed. He took his whole life. Anyways, let's move on to something more substantial, shall we? 1955 Chevy. Alright. So anyways, see all you goofies on the next one.